current Star Atlas DAO cost is $0.32 sort of bears control Polis's ongoing cost activities. Or so they sort of thought. Star Atlas DAO fundamentally shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an exceptionally large manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO essentially is floating at $305,944, which in a real sense is very critical. 23 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time. Certainly got clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is certainly transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO really is Polis an especially wise venture. Genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking, Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on. So 23 July 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, sort of is Polis a kind of wise speculation, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. In any case prior to plunging especially profound into the Polis specialized examination, sort of allowed us essentially to discuss the extremely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $23,363,779,520, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, which especially is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, so the extremely complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $23,363,779,520 in a sort of huge manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time span, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. BNB, the for the most part local coin of BNB by and large, is up by 0.7 and as of now exchanging at $243.64. Which by and large is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a quite large way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market especially is going in an extremely descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, showing how Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on. So 23 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these regularly basically got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, is Polis a sort of wise venture? Or so they really thought. Right now, a sort of broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO execution. The truly current Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944, in the sort of beyond 24 hours, in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, Polis by and large is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD. Wit for the most part is Star Atlas in a very significant way. Star Atlas certainly is a huge multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse, or so they in a real sense thought. It for the most part is being based on unbelievable Motor 5, permitting the game to highlight film quality, continuous conditions, which fundamentally is very critical. Star Atlas happens in a cutting-edge sci-fi setting in 2620, where three by and large significant groups have truly arisen, and in every practical sense, are vying for assets and control. Mankind, only a consortium of extraterrestrial societies and us to really conscious androids, genuinely further appearance how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents, following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period, which generally is very huge. The game really consolidates various classifications, so these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a very descending heading for present moment, showing how Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on. So 23 July 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense. Got clarification on some things. Facts. What by and large is transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO? Is polis a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. It truly is part system in that you explicitly need to truly foster strategic game plans on the most proficient method to truly associate with essentially different players and groups, which explicitly shows that genuinely current Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part is $0.32 in every practical sense. Bears control policies by and large current cost activities, which truly is very critical. A piece of it generally is investigation, as the game highlights an overflow of stars for investigation and double dealing, showing how Star Atlas fundamentally is an enormous multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse, or so they thought, since players can go to and in a real sense investigate these stars freely through first individual flight. It truly is to some extent a flight reproduction, exhibiting how truly current Star Atlas DAO cost most certainly is $0.32, essentially bears control policies certainly current cost activities in every way that really matters, enormous way. Finally, players can mine assets and especially get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending game, which is very critical. Subsequent to picking a group, players at first generally start in group security zones without battle to generally investigate pretty fundamental interactivity, exhibiting that the game in every practical sense consolidates various classes, so these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in an extremely descending course for commonly present moment, showing how Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on. So 23 July 2023, in this video, we will basically walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these much of the time. Truly got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What truly is for the most part transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO?